Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been creating quite a buzz in the tech world, the Blackview Xever 7 Pro. Now, I know what you're thinking. Rugged phones are usually chunky, heavy, and not exactly the kind of device you want to carry around all day. But this one? It's changing that narrative entirely. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash the like button so you don't miss any of my hands-on reviews and tech breakdowns. All right, let's get into it. Right off the bat, the Xever 7 Pro is incredibly sleek for a device that's designed to survive the harshest conditions. I mean, we're talking about a phone that can handle drops, dust, water, and even extreme temperatures, yet it manages to feel surprisingly premium in hand. The first thing I noticed was how comfortable it is to hold. The grip is firm without being aggressive, and the weight distribution is spot on, which is something a lot of rugged phones totally miss. Under the hood, this phone packs some serious hardware. It's powered by a high-end processor that handles multitasking like a champ, and the RAM configuration ensures that switching between apps is smooth without those annoying stutters you sometimes get on devices in this category. Gaming? Surprisingly good. I tried a couple of graphically demanding games, and the experience was solid. Frame rates remain consistent, and the touchscreen responsiveness felt natural, which isn't something you can always expect in rugged phones. Now, let's talk about the display, because here is where Blackview really shines. The screen is bright, sharp, and colors are vibrant enough that watching videos or editing photos feels pleasant. But what's really impressive is the touch sensitivity, even if your fingers are wet or you're wearing gloves. It's obvious that a lot of thought went into making this phone not just durable, but genuinely usable in real-world scenarios. Camera performance is another pleasant surprise. You have a versatile setup that handles both outdoor and indoor lighting well. The primary sensor captures a ton of detail, and the AI enhancements actually improve image quality without making it feel artificial. Low-light performance is respectable, and for those quick snapshots on the go, the Xever 7 Pro won't let you down. I took it out for a casual walk, snapped a few photos, and honestly, I had higher expectations than the results I got, pleasantly so. Battery life is where this phone absolutely dominates. With a battery designed to last more than a day, even under heavy use, you don't need to constantly look for a charger. I use it for gaming, streaming, and messaging throughout the day, and I still had a healthy amount of juice left at night. And with the optimized charging speeds, topping it up is quick, which is a relief if you're always on the move. Something else that impressed me is the software experience. The interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't feel bloated with unnecessary apps. Everything flows smoothly, and the privacy and security features are robust, which is critical these days. Blackview has clearly put thought into making sure that users feel in control of their data while also enjoying a polished user experience. The Xever 7 Pro also earned some serious recognition. It received the MWC Highlight Award from Chip.de, Germany's leading tech authority. And it's not just about awards. It's about redefining what people expect from rugged devices. Too often, rugged phones are thought of as compromises, big, clunky, and underpowered. This one flips that script entirely, proving that you can have durability, performance, and style all in one package. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown and finding it useful, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got more hands-on reviews coming up, and you won't want to miss them. Let's also talk about the build quality. The Xever 7 Pro feels incredibly solid in your hands. The materials are premium, and even though it's rugged, it doesn't feel like a toy or a tool. It feels like a serious smartphone that can survive anything life throws at it. Every button, every port, every seal is designed with a purpose, which gives you confidence when using it in tough environments. Another notable aspect is connectivity. You get support for all the latest network bands, fast Wi-Fi, and reliable GPS performance. If you're into outdoor adventures, or even just need a phone that works reliably in remote locations, this is a big deal. I tested it in different scenarios, from urban areas to semi-rural settings, and connectivity remained strong throughout. Now, performance isn't just about hardware. Thermal management is critical, especially in rugged phones. I was impressed to see that even under heavy use, the Xever 7 Pro remained cool, which means longer device lifespan and a better user experience. There's a certain satisfaction in knowing that your device isn't just fast on paper, but actually handles sustained performance without throttling or overheating. One of my favorite things about this phone is the attention to detail and design. The look is modern, the edges are refined, and it doesn't scream rugged phone in a way that some older models did. It manages to be both functional and stylish, appealing to tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. And before I wrap this up, I want to highlight how well Blackview has balanced innovation with practicality. The Xever 7 Pro isn't just about surviving extreme conditions, it's about thriving in them. It makes sense for professionals, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a device that won't quit when the going gets tough. So, to sum up, the Blackview Xever 7 Pro is a game-changer in the rugged phone market. It combines high-end performance, a vibrant display, excellent camera capabilities, long-lasting battery life, and robust build quality. It's clear that Blackview isn't just making rugged phones. They're redefining what we can expect from them. If you've been holding back on getting a rugged phone because of past compromises, this one might just change your mind. All right, that's it for today's hands-on review of the Blackview Xever 7 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, learned something new, or just love seeing tech done right, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and deep dives. And make sure to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think about the Xever 7 Pro, and if you'd consider picking one up for yourself.